How to save your marriage from routine. 10 simple actions to rekindle passion. Marriage isn't destroyed by sudden storms, but by the quiet erosion of routine. Day after day, couples stop noticing each other. Conversations shrink to chores. Affection fades, and love feels like a memory. But here's the truth. Passion doesn't die. Naturally, it only sleeps. And with the right actions, you can wake it up. Welcome to complete comfort and lasting wellness. In today's video, we reveal 10 simple but powerful actions to break the chains of routine and bring back the spark in your marriage. 1. Rediscover the power of surprise. Routine kills excitement because everything becomes predictable. A small surprising note in the lunchbox, breakfast in bed, or even unexpected flowers creates micro moments of joy. It's not about the size of the gesture. It's about the message. Asterisk, I'm still thinking of you. 2. Prioritize intimacy. Not just physical, but emotional. True intimacy is about more than the bedroom. It's about feeling safe, heard, and valued. Create rituals of closeness. 5 minutes of uninterrupted eye contact, holding hands during a walk, or sharing one secret at night. These simple acts rebuild emotional connection, which naturally reignites passion. 3. Communicate beyond logistics. Most couples only talk about bills, chores, or kids. That drains romance. Ask each other meaningful questions. Asterisk, what's your dream vacation? Or asterisk, what was your happiest childhood memory? These questions take you beyond routine and back into the discovery. Phase the same magic you felt when you first fell in love. 4. Create shared adventures. Routines trap couples in repetition. Break free by doing something new together. Take a dance class, cook a new recipe, or try hiking in a new location. New experiences create dopamine, the same brain chemical that drives attraction and excitement. 5. Revisit old memories together. Remember your first date, your wedding day, or the trip where you laughed until you cried. Reliving those moments isn't just nostalgia, it's emotional fuel. Look through old photos, watch your wedding video, or even recreate your very first date. The past can reignite the present. 6. Protect your couple time in a world full of distractions. Couples often give their best energy to work, kids, or social media. What's left for marriage? Set sacred time. No phones. No interruptions. Even 1 hour a week dedicated to just the two of you can transform your relationship. 7. Learn the love language of your partner. Some people feel loved through words, others through actions, gifts, time, or touch. If you keep expressing love in your own language, not theirs, the message is lost. Discover and practice their love language. Makes affection resonate deeply. 8. Reinvest in personal growth. Routine not only makes the marriage dull, but also the individuals. When you grow, learn new skills, take care of your health, or pursue passions, you bring fresh energy into the relationship. A vibrant you naturally inspires a vibrant us. 9. Practice gratitude daily. Nothing suffocates passion like feeling unappreciated. Yet, most couples silently take each other for granted. Make it a habit. Every night, share one thing you appreciate about your partner. Over time, gratitude transforms not just words, but the emotional climate of the marriage. 10. Rekindle the physical spark. Physical intimacy is not just about desire, it's about connection, playfulness, and comfort. Start with small gestures. A hug that lasts longer than usual. A kiss before leaving the house or dancing in the living room. Touch awakens the body's memory of love. Passion follows. Marriage doesn't collapse because love disappears, it collapses because love isn't nourished. Routine is powerful, but so are you. With just 10 simple action surprise, intimacy, communication, adventure, memories, Time, love languages, growth, gratitude, and touch you can not only rescue your marriage, but make it better than it ever was. So, which of these 10 actions will you start with today? If you found this helpful, subscribe to Complete Comfort and Lasting Wellness for more insights on love, health, and lasting happiness. And remember, passion isn't lost, it's waiting for you to bring it back.